What's up, everybody? Sensei Vegan here. I'm back in the bird, baby. Back in the bird with my cousins, my brothers, A-Train, Iron Mike. What's happening, fellas?
What's up, man?
So what time is it?
Taste test time.
What time is it?
Taste test time.
Can I say it so people can hear you, man?
It's taste test time.
What time is it?
Taste test time.
All right. What we're tasting today is the Beyond Meat burger. Now, this is your first time trying a Beyond Meat burger, right? All right, be completely honest. If you don't like it, you don't like it. If you like it, you like it. So that's what we're doing today. It's a taste test time of the Beyond Meat burger. Now, we don't want to make too much noise. I'm going to be driving the neighbors crazy. But can I get a little bit of clapping, guys? Get a salute. Here we go, everybody. Can we get the... All right, anyway. Now, I've eaten plenty of Beyond Meat burgers. I burn my bun a little bit. But you know what? Sensei don't hold back. This is for real. This is straight up. I burn my bun a little bit. But I like to call it Cajun style Beyond Meat. Let's rock and roll, fellas. Let me know what you think about this. Here we go. Okay?
Pretty good.
How is it?
Good. Yeah.
See? Guys, plant-based food is delicious. You give it a shot. Now, mock meats aren't for everybody. So what? If you don't like it, don't eat it. But for the people out there that are looking to go plant-based and you're looking for alternatives and you like burgers, the Beyond Meat burger is a great burger. I'm telling y'all, guys. So what do you think, honestly?
Good.
So we have Gouda cheese on here, smoked Gouda by Follow Your Heart. And I call this the Berg Burger. Why I call it that? We got sweet relish, mustard, and ketchup. All right, that's how we roll with these burgers again. Sensei Vegan, you heard it from A-Train. You like it?
Yeah.
How many thumbs up? 2 thumbs up? All right. Iron Mike, what do you think? 2 thumbs up. There you have it from 2 non-vegans, 1 vegan. Man, we making it happen. All this positive energy. We about to explode, baby. Sensei Vegan, over and out.
Oh yeah, one more thing I got to say. If you want to find us on Instagram, you already know, Sensei Vegan. You can find me at Instagram at Sugoi Continental Breakfast, and you can find him at Iron_Micah.
There you go, guys. Give these young brothers a follow on Instagram. You can follow me on Instagram. You already know me, Sensei Vegan. YouTube, Twitter. What's up, everybody? Sensei Vegan here with round 2 of the taste test. Y'all ready? So we are running through the store. What's the name of the store, guys?
Fresh Times.
Fresh Times. It was actually pretty cool, and it reminded me of Trader Joe's in a sense. I like the way it was set up. They had really good plant-based options in there. I mean, every store you go to has plant-based options. But what I'm saying is they had like a lot of companies like Follow Your Heart and Field Roast and, you know, all these other Beyond Meat and things like that. So yeah, really great store. But we wanted to try something today. You guys like cheesecake, right? You like cheesecake? So I said, why not do a taste test of the Daya cheesecake? All right, so this is Daya Deliciously Dairy-Free New York Cheesecake. Dairy-free, gluten-free, soy-free. It's free, like a bird, baby. Anyway, that's what we're gonna do today. So they're holding a cheesecake, so they can't do it. Y'all know what time it is. But for all you rookies and new jacks, say it again, new jacks. That's it, new jacks, baby. It is taste test time. Taste test time. Taste test time. All right, let's rock and roll. Taste test time. Anyway, it's about to rain out here, so all right, guys, let's rock and roll this out. It's about to rain. We get rained on, y'all, but this is for the taste test. Let's go. Let's see how it tastes.
It's not raining yet, but it's about
I felt some drops.
Did you?
Yeah, I did. It's on my arm. And that's when I'm spitting when I'm talking. How was it?
No, it's funny. It's not bad. It tastes like regular cheesecake.
Say it again.
It does. It tastes like regular cheesecake. It's not bad. Like, you can't even tell the difference.
Told y'all, man. See?
Uh-oh, now it's raining.
Yeah, see, it's raining. We're going to stay out here and get wet, eat cheesecakey cake. So, guys, you like it? You like it? My boy A-Train said it tastes like regular. I'm sorry for talking with my mouth full. But, hey, I give this a 10 out of 10. If you are a cheesecake fan, try this Daya New York style cheesecake with the Z. All right, you guys can see that right there. Good stuff. I'm not sponsored by Daya, but hey, a good product is a good product.
That's good. Yep.
Say it one more time, guys.
Very good.
It's good. All right, good stuff. Guys, I want to thank each and every one of y'all for joining me. If you like videos like this, you give it a thumbs up. You sub to the channel. Again, Sensei Vegan, thanking each and every last one of y'all for joining us. Hello.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
All right. Good night.
Yeah, man. That's